Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Tiffany. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's tutorial. It's going to be a makeup tutorial. I know that fall is in the air and everybody's getting excited and pumpkin spice lattes are out there now and the vibe is all around us. So I am going to be creating a few fall inspired makeup looks this year. I know every year I attempt to do this and I fail miserably at it. So hopefully you guys can hold me accountable to these videos, but this is going to be the first video of that installment and I really hope you guys enjoy it. So let me know what your thoughts are on this look, if this is a look that you would try or if you don't like it so much. Let me know your thoughts. Let's chat about it down in the comments. So if you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to tune in. Do me a huge favor though, before you leave the page, click that subscribe button so you can get updated when I upload a new video. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. If so, give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment, yes or no, if you like it, if you try it, and all that great stuff. And I will stop rambling so we can get into the video. me, don't forget to head over to the blog at www.tiffanydbrown.com to check out more pictures, information, as well as product information. If you are interested in any of the products that I used in the video today, I will have all of that information linked over on the site. I will also put a few links down in the description box as well. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, and we will chat in the next video. Bye.